guys! So now I'm going to show you how you could make a paper lantern using the paper either that you marbled or that you did some potato printing on. You could also just use any other paper that you've decorated by colouring it in or painting on it, or even it's quite effective just with a solid block colour. So what you need to do is get yourself a nice rectangle of paper or card. It's actually better if you use card, but if you've decorated paper you can use that as well. And what you're going to do is to then fold it in half down the long edge, like so. Okay, and then with the folded edge facing you, you're going to go in with your scissors and we're going to cut down until we're about 2 centimetres away from this edge, and this is the edge where the ends meet. And I'm going to cut down here now, and I'll continue doing that the whole length of my paper. Okay, so I've done that now. I've cut strips down the whole length. So I'm going to open it out, and now it looks like this. You can see all the strips. And I'm going to take these 2 short edges and bring them round to meet one another, and therefore make a cylinder, like so. And I can then get my tape, cut a little bit off the end, and I'm going to use this to then stick the 2 edges together like this. And if you have the stapler, that's when you could use the stapler instead. You could just staple it there. So we need to do the bottom as well. Okay, so that's nicely stuck. Now it's there, I'm just going to give it a little pat down just to give it a nice shape. It's quite springy. Okay, and next I'm going to make the handle. To do that, I've got another piece of my pattern paper, and I'm just going to cut a strip like so. I'm just stroking it around my fingers to kind of bend it into a nice arch shape, and then I'll get some more sticky tape. And put some on the end here, and then I'm just going to stick that on the top edge, the same place where I folded it together. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Alright, and there we go, we've got a lantern. So that's quite a quick project, but what you can do is you can play around making them all different sizes and shapes. So if you've got your paper this size, you could try using a piece of paper that's half the size, and that's going to give you a very little lantern. Or if you've got a big piece of paper, if you did it double the size, that would make a really big lantern. And also, depending on the ratio of your rectangle, if you did it with a square, then your lantern's going to be more kind of squat and wide. So really play around with all different shapes and sizes of paper, and you can make a whole range of these, and then you can hang them up either inside, or if it's a nice day, hang them up outside. Okie dokie. See you later guys, bye.